All right, John, what do you got for me?
Well, I've been having a hard time locating the Evo that you specifically want, but to hold you over, I got this for you.
I have no idea what's...
It's your exact spec that you wanted. It's actually been specific, so...
This is $340,000?
You know, handmade.
Do you have anything? I can't even ride this. I could. I think it would break though.
We're on a little bit of a delay, but can I show you something?
Okay.
Maybe some stuff in the showroom.
I mean, this is cool, but it's hard to vlog with that.
No, I got you. Yeah. I hear you out. We got new GTs. I mean,
yeah, it's not an Evo.
McLaren's newest thing.
Yeah.
We have 720.
Cool.
600.
Yeah, that's,
you know,
it's a couple numbers higher.
Big brother.
What's that?
So that's a Huracan Evo.
Oh.
I can show you this too.
Yeah. Let's check this one out.
This is actually yours, man.
All right, guys. So, jokes aside, this is my 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo all-wheel drive Spyder, and I am so damn excited. John, thank you so much.
You're welcome, man.
Jokes aside, actually, the model is super cool. The model isn't actually something that normally comes with the car. I feel like when you spend this much money, it should, but Lamborghini Rancho Mirage and John freaking killed it. Ordered a custom model of this car in the exact spec, from the center lock wheels to making sure the calipers are red to the, what is it, polar white interior. It even has forged carbon on the model and little writing on the screen, but I'm at a loss for words.
One thing left, Parker.
What?
Keys.
Oh, that's kind of important, it turns out. Guys, I mean, this is for you guys. I scoured the internet. I am so excited. You wanted a Huracan back on the channel. It's not like I didn't really want a Huracan either, obviously. I'm freaking beyond excited. So thank you so much for your support. Here's the new car on the channel. Let's take it for a spin and talk about the future of, you know, do we tune it? Do we supercharge it? Do we wrap it? You know, I love the all black look. I've never gotten an all black supercar before. Obviously I had the S-Class in black, the Maybach in black, the Supra, but you know, I had Verde Mantis or Giallo Midas for different Lamborghinis. At first I was like, black's boring, and then I realized the murdered outlook is so money. But if you hate the color, which then you should just unsubscribe, I'm just kidding. We can talk about wrap options, but I gotta go take this thing for a spin. All right, check it out, guys. The only problem is I have no idea how to get out of here without smashing into a 720, but I don't know. That's what insurance is for these days. Fire in the hole. That is really aggressive indoors. All right, see you on the road. Well, guys, it is actually official. The car is outside. I've got the keys. This is my new Lamborghini Huracan. I'm so excited to drive it home now. Oh my God, I hope you guys are half as excited as I am, because this is honestly a dream come true to be back in a Lamborghini and back in a Lamborghini Huracan. Now, before I head out, actually, something super cool that just came up that I wanted to talk to you guys about is I just partnered with a website called Cameo. So if you guys want to ask me individual car questions, what should you buy, advice, or maybe even advice on how to start a YouTube channel, click the link in the description below to Cameo, and I've got a special discounted rate, like seriously cheap, almost too cheap. I don't know why I'm doing it like that, for the next couple days only. So check that out if you want to ask me questions or simply just chat with me online. Then one other cool thing is that I just came out with a collaboration with Looney Tunes, the dopest merch I've made ever in my entire life. And I think it's some of the coolest car merch you guys have ever seen. So seriously, that's coming soon. Let's freaking roll. Oh my God, Huracan. Why would it be in Strata mode? Corsa mode only. This is like my seal of approval that the deal's official. I got my radar detector plugged in. Thank you guys so much, Rancho Mirage Lamborghini, for killing it. Now we got a 2.5 hour long drive back home, and it's gonna be one of the best drives of my life. Let's hit it. Oh my God! Oh my God, I love this car! I I just noticed on the dash, check out the blue lights that go into each other to let you know when to shift. Check this out. That is so sick! I have my sunglasses up here and they literally just flew off my head. And I don't know where they went, but I don't really care. That's just how powerful this car is in first gear. That all-wheel drive system, guys, because it's all-wheel drive, the first gear in a Lamborghini Huracan pulls harder than any other car because it's not fighting for traction. It's got the perfect amount of power for the all-wheel drive system in the chassis, and it just rips off the line. Launch control on this thing is absolutely berserk. All right, another little acceleration run because why not? Let's go! Huracan back on the channel. All right, crisis averted. I did find them, and it gives me a perfect excuse to have pulled over and stare at this thing. You know the quote, like, you bought the wrong car, if when you walk away from it, you don't look back? Well, this car, I don't even want to look away from it. It's just literally one of the coolest looking cars ever made, in my opinion, especially in all black. I mean, the front fascia is unbelievable. The updates to the front bumper are like something you would have seen aftermarket on the original Huracan, kind of like Borsteiner Novara. I can't get over these center lock wheels. I mean, the anodized red looks so cool. Oh, and the Oreo color scheme with that white interior. I'm in love with the car. That's weird. That's definitely weird. I'm sure you guys follow me though. I mean, if you don't love your car, then you got the wrong one. Sorry to break it to you. All right, some revs, some revs. As I said in the previous video, another thing I love with modern day supercars is the fact that you can actually put the roof up while you're driving. So go ahead and activate the roof. Here we go. I mean, how cool is that? I don't even have to stop. I can go like 30 miles an hour while it's doing this. And then all of a sudden it lets you know on the screen that yellow, there you go, soft top position closed. And we're good to go when we're on the freeway. And it's, how hot is it right now? It's like 110 degrees. It's 110 degrees. That's why I'm dying. All right, here we are at Windmill Land, the land of the windmills. It's pretty cool to see all these working at once. Hey, nice meal. Hey, Meek. That's Meek Meal over there next to Wind, his brother. This car is smooth, man. Been driving for about 45 minutes. The seats feel pretty comfortable. I'm not gonna lie, they don't feel quite as comfortable as the Ferrari or the McLaren seats, but the sound this thing makes, the smile it puts on my face, the looks, pretty much everyone is screaming and shouting as they pass by. It's pretty hilarious. I'm just trying to keep straight ahead with my new car. Listen to this, guys. Dead silent in the car in Strata mode. The loudest things are the trucks around me. Then we put it into sport. There's that engine.
Every step you take, attention is left in your wake.
Here we go, home sweet home. Well, guys, it honestly feels surreal to have my new Huracan Evo sitting here on the lawn at my house. This has been a long time coming, guys. When I sold the Huracan, I was crushed inside. I thought it was the right decision to get the McLaren 600 LT, and at the time it was, but honestly, I can't not have a Huracan in my life. And thankfully, you know, I got the 600 and some other cars as well. Thank you guys so much for the support, the loyalty on the channel. All of your comments and feedback I take to heart, and I can't wait for all the amazing content with the new Huracan. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.